Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. The secret phrase women love but men rarely say. Have you ever looked at a guy and wondered, what's his secret? What is it about him that makes him so magnetic, so irresistible? You see him walking down the street, and you can't help but notice the way people are drawn to him. It's almost as if he has an invisible force field that attracts everyone around him. He's not a male model. He doesn't have the chiseled features or the perfect physique that you see in magazines. In fact, he looks like an ordinary guy, someone you might pass by without a second glance. He doesn't drive a fancy car. There's no luxury vehicle parked in his driveway, no flashy sports car to catch your eye. He drives a regular car just like everyone else. Yet women are drawn to him like moths to a flame. What's going on? What is it about this seemingly ordinary man that makes him so extraordinary in the eyes of women? Is it some mystical charm only a select few possess? Is it something that can't be learned or taught, something you're either born with or you're not? The answer is simpler than you think. It's not about having a perfect face or a fat wallet. It's about something much more accessible, something that anyone can develop with a little effort and understanding. It's not about looks or money. Those things might catch someone's attention initially, but they don't create lasting attraction. They don't build the kind of connection that makes someone want to stay. It's about something much deeper, something that resonates with a woman's heart and soul. It's about the way he makes her feel when they're together, the way he listens and responds, the way he understands her in a way that others don't. It's about the words he uses, the way he communicates, the way he expresses himself, the way he makes her feel valued and appreciated. You see, women are emotional creatures. We respond to words and emotions in a way that goes beyond the physical. We crave connection, understanding, and empathy. We thrive on connection, on feeling understood. When a man can tap into that emotional core, when he can speak to our hearts, he becomes irresistible. And nothing creates that connection faster than words that speak directly to our hearts. Words that make us feel seen, heard, and valued. The right words can make us feel seen, appreciated, and desired in a way that transcends physical attraction. They create a bond that goes beyond the surface, a connection that lasts. Now, before you start showering women with generic compliments, hold on a second, because here's the thing. Most men get it all wrong. They focus on the superficial. You're beautiful, you have a great smile compliments that, while well-intentioned, lack depth and originality. These compliments are like mass-produced greeting cards. They lack that personal touch, that spark of genuine admiration that makes a woman's heart skip a beat. They tell us you're trying, but they don't tell us you see the real us beyond the surface. So, what's the secret? What's the phrase that unlocks a woman's heart and leaves a lasting impression? It's simple, yet profound. I love the way your mind works. Yes, you read that right. This one sentence, delivered with sincerity, has the power to make a woman feel like she's the only woman in the room. Why? Because it acknowledges something far more important than her physical attributes. It acknowledges her intelligence, her wit, her unique perspective on the world. Too many men fall into the trap of complimenting what's easy, a woman's appearance. But true connection comes from appreciating what makes her tick, from recognizing the beauty of her mind. Your hot might get her attention, but I love the way your mind works will capture her heart. It's the difference between a fleeting spark and a roaring fire. Think about it. When was the last time a man complimented your intelligence, your creativity, your perspective? Chances are it's not something you hear every day, and that's precisely why this phrase is so powerful. It's unexpected, it's refreshing, it sets a man apart from the crowd. Section 5. The magic phrase. But this phrase is more than just a compliment, it's a gateway to deeper connection. When you say, I love the way your mind works, you're not just acknowledging her intelligence. You're telling her that you value her thoughts, her ideas, and her unique perspective on the world. This phrase can transform a simple conversation into a profound exchange of ideas and emotions. It shows her that you see beyond the surface, that you're interested in her thoughts, her dreams, her passions. You're not just there for the small talk, you're there to understand her on a deeper level. This kind of engagement can make her feel truly seen and appreciated, something that is often rare in today's fast-paced world. It sparks a conversation, invites her to share her inner world with you. When she feels safe to open up, the walls come down, and a genuine connection is formed. This is the kind of interaction that can turn a casual date into a memorable experience, one that she will cherish and think about long after it's over. And that, my friends, is where true intimacy begins. True intimacy isn't just about physical closeness, it's about emotional and intellectual connection, it's about feeling understood and valued for who you are. When you use the magic phrase, you're laying the foundation for this kind of deep, meaningful relationship. Imagine this. You're on a date and the conversation flows effortlessly. You're both engaged, laughing and sharing stories. Then you say, "I love the way your mind works." Suddenly the atmosphere changes. She looks at you with a new level of interest and appreciation. It's as if you've unlocked a new dimension of your relationship. You find yourself captivated by her intelligence, her wit, her unique perspective. You realize that this is more than just a date. It's a meeting of minds. You're not just attracted to her looks, you're drawn to her intellect and her way of thinking. This realization can be incredibly powerful and can deepen your connection even further. You utter the magic phrase, "I love the way your mind works," and watch her face light up. It's a moment of pure connection where she feels truly seen and appreciated. This simple phrase can make her feel valued for who she is, beyond just her appearance. Suddenly, you've gone from just another date to someone who truly sees her, who appreciates her for the incredible woman she is. This is the magic of the phrase. It has the power to transform your interactions and build a foundation for a deeper, more meaningful relationship. So, the next time you're on a date, remember the magic phrase and watch the magic unfold. Section 6. Why it works. Now, a word of caution. This phrase, like any other, should never be used manipulatively. It's not a magic spell to make women fall at your feet. Its power lies in its sincerity. It should be a genuine expression of your admiration for her mind. Pay attention to her, engage with her ideas, and when you find yourself genuinely impressed by her intelligence, don't hold back. Let her know. The delivery is just as important as the phrase itself. Say it with a smile, with genuine warmth in your eyes. Let the words flow naturally, as an organic expression of your admiration. The key is to be authentic, to let your true feelings shine through. Section 7. Using it right. Here are a few tips for incorporating this magic phrase into your interactions with women. Be specific. When you use this phrase, make sure it's not just a generic compliment. Tailor it to the person you're speaking to. Instead of just saying, "I love the way your mind works," follow it up with a specific example. For instance, you could say, "I love the way your mind works, especially when you come up with such creative solutions to problems. I love the way your mind works." This phrase can be incredibly powerful, but only if it's used sincerely and thoughtfully. You have such a unique perspective on topic you discussed. Use it in context. This means paying attention to what she's saying and responding in a way that shows you're truly engaged. Don't just blurt it out randomly. Timing is everything. Wait for the right moment when it feels natural to say it. Weave it naturally into the conversation. If you force it, it will come off as insincere, and could have the opposite effect. If she says something insightful or shares an interesting perspective, that's your cue. Use that moment to genuinely appreciate her thoughts. Be genuine, don't force it. Authenticity is key. If you don't genuinely mean it, she'll see right through you. If you don't genuinely mean it, she'll see right through you. Authenticity is key. Women appreciate honesty, and can often tell when someone is being disingenuous. Remember, this phrase is just the beginning. It's an opening to deeper conversations and connections. It's an invitation to delve deeper, to connect on an intellectual and emotional level. When used correctly, it can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling interactions. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at the doors it opens. This simple phrase, when used with sincerity and thoughtfulness, can transform your relationships and create lasting bonds. Section 8. Authenticity is key. In a world obsessed with superficiality, with swiping left and right based on filtered photos, genuine connection is more valuable than ever. And that connection starts with acknowledging and appreciating the beauty of a woman's mind. So ditch the cheesy pickup lines and forget about trying to impress her with your car or your bank balance. Instead, impress her with your mind, your wit, and your ability to make her feel like the most fascinating woman in the world. Because at the end of the day, that's what we all crave. To be seen, to be understood, to be valued for the unique individuals we are. Section 9. Deeper than desire. So, go out there and start complimenting women on their minds. Tell them you love the way they think, the way they see the world. You'll be surprised at the spark it ignites, the connection it fosters. Because true attraction goes far deeper than skin deep. It's about connecting on a soul level, about finding that rare and beautiful synergy of two minds in perfect harmony. What do you think? Have you ever used this phrase? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to follow for more dating and relationship advice. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.